trust Radio 1 to bring you the best new music from across the UK and from around the world. Trust us to be your guide to everything you need to know about music. Now, Nightingale live.
Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
Hi there, it's Annie Nightingale on Radio 1, a special show. Well, every week to me is a very special show. But as we head up towards the end of 2006, and the voting in the annual Nightingale Awards will begin in a couple of weeks. So what I'm doing in these run-up weeks is playing again some of the mixes of the year that I want you to have a chance to listen to again and vote for when the time comes, because you know some of them go back several months and I don't expect you to remember them all that well, or maybe you've never ever listened to the show in your life before. If you are a newcomer, a special hi to you. Plus you're going to be able to win tickets to come and see me play, plus Jazzy M and the Charlatans, members of, next Saturday in Birmingham. So keep it locked. And we have a brand new mix from Dirty South, who I'm a great admirer of, and another chance to hear the mix that was part of our Pacific Breaks mix earlier on this year from Uberzone. Nightingale on Radio 1. We have had the Klaxons meet Hedfone, Atomizer versus Mr. No, and Japanese Disco. That was a Chemical Brothers Galvanized, probably a mix you hadn't necessarily heard before.